When you want to do tests, you want to be able to produce a test, do it repetitively, and do it quickly and efficiently. If you're not doing it quickly and efficiently, this test is now costing you money instead of making you money. So as far as reproducibility and accuracy of the tester, currently there's a lot of testing that's going on and the results are all subject to the operator's interpretation. You can have a very strong repeatability and predictability of the hardness tester because you have the ability of analyzing the indentations not only on the screen, but when you save them, if there's questions of the results, you can recall them with a picture and the measurement that was done that day, still having the ability to adjust that measurement and seeing where the measurement was taken within microns. So you have the ability not only to store the data, you can recall the data, and the way the machine is set up for automatic measuring, you have enough adjustments in the system to be able to adjust the lighting, the contrast, to make adjustments for how the sample prep is done. Once that's done the first time, it should be stable for that product for every test thereafter. We're eliminating the adjustment that is a routine adjustment that's done by testing every time you put a sample in the machine. Your accuracy is going to be the way you set it up the first time you design the program. We've taken complexity and we've made it easy.